Welcome back to another 2 weeks actually, because we missed last week.
Last weekend we went out of town.
Yes, because we have lives.
I have to force him to have a life.
That's true. I wouldn't have taken the time off if it wasn't for.
But the lake called.
Yes, we did the lake.
And my parents.
And your parents. But
and my sister, just in case they watch this.
But now we're back, and you're gonna watch like about 2 weeks of time lapses run by real quick. So, hope you enjoy. Yes. Yes, wife, it was.
And we are going, since it's 2 weeks, there's a lot to recap in that. And since you just watched it, we won't make you go through it again. But we will talk about a few standout activities.
Mm-hmm.
For me, the biggest thing, and basically what I did all of last week, was work on the floor.
Yes.
Which last weekend, when we were not here at the house, we still did some work and watched tutorials on how to lay and patch wood flooring. Now I will say, some of those videos made it seem a lot easier than it really was, mostly because of tools or the size of what they're patching. Like, I didn't take into account that some of the videos show you how to patch like 3 pieces of wood.
Yes. Your appearance of laying flooring.
So.
And patching.
I think one of my biggest things most recently that I was excited about was discovering I should bring a little stool, and that worked very well today because otherwise I was sitting on the ground or bent over on my knees, and I actually bruised my knee, so then I couldn't actually be on my knee. It was dumb. So I was proud of myself for finding a chair so that I could lay flooring more comfortably. I will not say comfortably.
Yes. I think that was your biggest win.
That was a big win.
The stool.
Yeah.
Not the poop kind.
Stool.
Thanks.
like that.
Okay, back to my favorite things.
Yes.
Or biggest learning curve.
I think one of my favorite also, which I haven't watched it yet, so hopefully you have, is when the door burst a tub. Because I set the camera up over there so the tub like came through.
Oh, that's on video?
Uh-huh.
Oh man, that was not fun.
Tub birthing.
The tub was literally the exact same size as that door opening. So it was like the entire time. But what I will show you all of my things is out yonder. Okay, doke.
Is that it?
Yeah, and we're gonna grab it up. Ooh. How's that?
That seems pretty good. Okay. Oh, that's your name.
So, those were the exciting things that you learned, I learned, we found out the past 2 weeks of working on the house. So I hope.
Oh, and my other big thing from this week was I hammered my thumb.
Oh!
It was very painful. But yes, sorry. I just remember that from the week too. That was a big moment.
Her first work injury involving a hammer. Well, involving any tool.
True.
So, thank you for sticking with us. We've recapped a lot of work. You've watched a lot of work. And we will...
There's still more to be done.
There's still a lot more to be done. So, we will catch you all next time.
Well, that's a wrap. Tour.
I forgot that was our sign off. You caught me off guard.
Welcome back.
That didn't go well. We're back.
Nope, I don't like this one yet either.
Okay.
And we're superheroes in this movie.
Are there any fingers?
Yeah, I'm a finger person.
Okay.
See you next time
on the Bill Show.
You just not. I don't know what you do. On the Bill Show.
You can
I don't think he does that. He just says, "Well,
Bill Show."
I don't think he does any weird thingies.
He's leaning the camera a little bit.
Bill Show, and he just
on
goes,
the Bill Show.
Bill. That seems more like.